Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share and collaborate in Google Forms. So if you want to collaborate with your colleagues of a form, you can just share it or add collaborators to the form. So what you need to do in here is just click on this three dots icon to see more options. And there will be this option add collaborators. Just tap on that. Here you can see that I only have the only people who has access is me. So if you want to add a collaborator, you can just find the collaborator, add the email's name, can choose to notify them or not, and leave a message, and choose the role as editor so that they can also edit and modify the form. And after it, you can just click on share, and just like that the form will be shared and the collaborator has been added. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.